Chapter 20 Data Analysis. A. Marks obtained by 5 students are shown below. Observe the table and answer the questions below. 1. We are given who scored maximum marks in science. So the column of science is this. Here the maximum marks is 95 and that was scored by Rohit. So the answer will be Rohit. 2. Who scored maximum marks in maths? The column of maths is this. Here the maximum marks is 96. That is scored by Sia. So here we will write 3. Who scored minimum marks in English? So the column of English is this. Here the minimum marks is 54. That is scored by Sia. 4. Who scored minimum marks in science? So the column of science is this. And here minimum marks is 62. That is scored by Vivan. 5. Overall score of which student is best? So to find the overall score, we will add up all the marks in every subject of each student. So on adding 93, 81, 66 and 99, the answer is 5. Overall score of which student is best? So here the overall score of Maya is best. So we will write Maya. 6. Who scored the least marks in overall performance? So the least marks in overall performance is of Sia. So we will write Sia. 7. In which subject Rohit did the best? So Rohit did the best in science. So we will write science. Telemarks. Schools, number of trees planted. School A planted 16, B planted 9, C planted 11, D planted 8 and E planted 4. B. Study the table above carefully. Answer the following questions. First, how many schools planted more than 9 trees? So here 2 schools planted more than 9 trees. 2. How many trees planted by school D? So school D planted 8 trees. 3. How many trees planted by school A? So school A planted 16 trees. 4. How many trees planted by school E? So school E has planted 4 trees. So we will write 4. 5. Find the total number of trees planted by all the 5 schools. So the total number of trees will be, on adding 16 and 9, the answer is 25. On adding 25 and 11, the answer comes 36. On adding 36 and 8, the answer comes as 44. And on adding 44 to 4, the answer is 48. This means total 48 trees are being planted. Okay? Bar graph. The following bar graphs shows the variety of sold of books by a shopkeeper. C. Study the bar graph above and answer the following questions. A. How many comic books are sold? So comics are here. It is present between 12 and 14. That means number between 12 and 14 is 13. So comics are here. So the number of comics are 14. That means 14 books are being sold. 2. How many books are sold? So novels are here. and it is 12. That means 12 novel books are sold. 3. How many people like bibliography books? Bibliography is here and that is 20. That means 20 people likes bibliography. 4. How many people demand academic books? So academic books is here and that is demand by 20 people. 5. Which books are equally liked by the people? So here are two books, that is academics and bibliography, that are liked equally, and that is academics and bibliography. 6. The total number of books sold by the shopkeeper is. So here we have to find the total number of books. Novels are 12, academics are 20, comics are 14, gamings are 10, then bibliography are 20. So on adding this, it will comes as 76. That means total 76 books are sold. Okay.